Samsung sets the bar high for its Galaxy S Ultra models each year, but the leaks and rumours surrounding the upcoming S24 Ultra suggest it may be their most substantial upgrade yet. From camera hardware to battery tech to integrated AI, it looks to push boundaries across the board. Yep, you heard that right. We've got some exciting updates on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to share today. This next-gen flagship phone is shaping up to have some really cool features that improve upon its popular predecessor. Let's take a look at the latest leaks and rumours surrounding the S24 Ultra. First up, it's looking likely that the S24 Ultra will run on the newest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This would give it a decent performance boost over the already speedy S23 Ultra. We can expect faster app loading times and smooth multitasking. The upgraded processor should also enable enhanced camera capabilities and graphics. While benchmark results aren't out yet, Qualcomm promises the 8 Gen 3 delivers up to 35% better CPU performance and up to 25% faster graphics rendering over the previous model. So, we're hopeful the S24 Ultra will be an absolute speed demon. One of the highlights of the Galaxy S Ultra models is the camera array. Well, rumours point to the S24 Ultra getting improvements here too. It may keep the same quad camera setup as the S23 Ultra, but with upgrades to some of the sensors and lenses. Notably, leaks suggest the main wide camera will again use a huge 200-megapixel sensor. Combined with an upgraded image signal processor in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, we can expect even more detailed, vibrant photos. The telephoto camera looks to be getting a boost too. One rumour claims it will go from 10 megapixels up to 50 megapixels. This should allow better optical zoom and crisper shots of distant subjects. Portrait mode selfies also stand to benefit from software enhancements powered by the upgraded AI capabilities of the new processor. Now let's talk charging speed and battery life. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will likely stick with a 5000 mAh battery according to leaks. That's the same large capacity as its predecessor, which enables all-day endurance. However, charging speed may get a nice bump up. Some rumours point to 65-watt fast charging being supported on the S24 Ultra. That would allow quicker power-ups when you need battery in a hurry. We're talking a full charge in under 40 minutes versus 65 minutes on the 45-watt S23 Ultra. This faster charging speed does come with a trade-off though. Battery longevity could take a slight hit from the increased heat and voltage required. Still, having the option for blazing charging when necessary is quite a benefit. The S24 Ultra is also rumoured to get a brighter, more durable AMOLED display. It will likely remain 6.8 inches diagonally, but may achieve higher peak brightness around 2500 nits when viewing HDR content. That gives it a leg up on the already excellent S23 Ultra panel's 1750 nit rating. We can also expect enhanced durability from a victim-resistant Gorilla Glass armor material. This should provide better scratch protection and impact resistance to such an expansively large screen. Breaking an Ultra display via clumsy drop is no fun, so these protective enhancements provide peace of mind. On the design front, not much looks to change on the S24 Ultra stylistically. It should retain the curved edge display with slim uniform bezels all around. The prominent protruding camera module on the back also remains for housing the sensor array. However, we may see more premium materials come into play. Several leaks point to a titanium alloy frame being used rather than a standard aluminium. Titanium provides enhanced structural rigidity at a lighter weight than steel or aluminium. This allows subtle slimming of device dimensions or reallocation of internal space. Titanium also boasts excellent scratch-resistant properties to better withstand everyday scuffs and use. Its attractive coloration and smooth feel add to the high-end aesthetic as well. Currently, titanium frames seem reserved for the Ultra model in the S24 lineup if leaks hold true. On the software side of things, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will launch with the newest One UI 6.1 skin based on Android 14. We can look forward to select enhancements that build on the already rich feature set of Samsung flagships. This includes additions like AI-generated wallpapers, improved Bixby routines, expanded DeX desktop interface functionality, and more. But one of the biggest software-related upgrades seems to be coming in the camera interface. Dubbed Zoom Anyplace, This uses a combination of the high pixel count primary sensor and on-device AI to enable sophisticated digital zoom capabilities. For example, it can automatically track and keep subjects centered in frame as you zoom, or you'll be able to simultaneously record both wide and zoomed perspectives. These capabilities promise to make capturing distant video footage smoother and more dynamic. Speaking of AI, the S24 Ultra looks ready to step up its on-device artificial intelligence capabilities in a big way. It will integrate Samsung's new Gauss Assistant platform directly into the interface experience. This will enable conversational AI features akin to Google Assistant or Siri for the brand. You'll be able to ask questions, get personalized recommendations, automate device functions and settings, and much more, all through natural voice commands. Gauss may also be able to generate original images and emails upon request via advanced deep learning. Another perk of Galaxy Ultra ownership has traditionally been access to premium Samsung services and partnerships. We fully expect the S24 Ultra to come with several months free trials for services like Samsung TV Plus, Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, Spotify Premium, YouTube Premium, and more. Pre-order bundles will also likely include generous trade-in offers towards devices like tablets and smartwatches. Rumors even point to possible doubling of internal storage for those who pre-order early. Of course, using an S24 Ultra also unlocks all the Samsung ecosystem integration benefits. That means seamless connectivity, streaming, automation, and file data transfer between your Samsung phone, watch, tablet, computer, TV, appliances, and smart home products. The advanced customization offered through Good Lock and theme park apps further let you tailor your ideal experience. With data breaches and hacking threats growing, security and privacy protections on mobile devices are more crucial than ever. Samsung provides excellent safeguards out of the box, along with robust custom controls via the integrated Secure Folder, Private Share, and Samsung Pass tools. We anticipate even stronger encryption, malware scanning, and permission management in One UI 6.1. Improved integration with other Samsung products also enables secure single sign-on and password syncing across your devices. And Knox Vault isolation keeps sensitive authentication data like fingerprints and blockchain keys extra safe. For business users, Galaxy Ultra models offer enhanced tools for enterprise device management, document editing or cloud services, virtual conferencing, and more. DeX provides desktop-level productivity, while features like defense-grade security with Knox protection give IT departments peace of mind. The S24 Ultra looks to build on this foundation by expanding support for industry-leading mobile device management solutions. We also expect Samsung to tout its commitment to providing longer windows of Android version support for devices deployed in corporate environments. Guaranteed security patches for 5 years or more give businesses the usability lifecycle they need to maximize return on investment. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the increased priority Samsung places on environmental sustainability these days. Their Galaxy for the Planet initiative includes carbon footprint reduction targets in manufacturing, as well as ambitious e-waste recovery and device trade-in programs. We anticipate the S24 Ultra and all of Samsung's 2024 mobile products will make progress towards net zero waste production. This means maximizing recycled materials wherever possible and minimizing disposable packaging. Every bit of progress made here helps drive positive change on a global scale. Well, those are just a few of the many exciting upgrades slated for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra according to leaks. With its blend of powerhouse performance, pro-caliber cameras, and premium craftsmanship, it looks to uphold the company's reputation for outstanding flagship phones. We can't wait to go hands-on when the S24 Ultra launches next month. Let us know which new additions or features you find the most intriguing.